Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPTV with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times a bit weird. Today's episode is all about I forgot again. Oh my gosh. It's like the second time I've tried pulling this one together. Oh man, my brain seriously went. Oh, I remembered. Okay, edit. Okay, edit. Okay, got it. Okay, so today's episode is all about how to make a film with no budget. I'm going to share with you what works for moi. Individual results may vary, but for me, human capital. Like literally, use what you have. Get a pill for your gas, gear, acquisition syndrome. Get a pill or cut up your credit cards. Do whatever you got to do, but cut out your gas problem, okay? Use what you have and go film. I don't care. Like literally, go film. Go fall so hard and flat on your effing face. But use zero budget. The less budget that you have to make a film, the better it will be. You know why? Because you got to think outside your head. You got to think outside your box. You got to use what you have with your limited resources. As photographers, we do TFP, trade for photos, with models and other talent and rock bands from time to time, or personal projects, whatever it might be. As a filmmaker, you can do a whole lot of the same. That's it. What do you guys do? Share downstairs in the kilt zone. The kilt zone. Yeah. Okay, hold the microphone properly. There it is. Gotta hold the microphone properly. And let's wrap it up. Oh, it was almost a snap. So that's it. And this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPTV with another episode of Raw 365, where we get to real, authentic, and at times a bit weird. If you're following me on social, thank you. If you're following me on YouTube, yay! Remember to like, comment, share, leave a comment for reels, and sharing is caring. And if you're on YouTube, then make sure you hit the bell for notifications, or I might just not send a raven. I'm not doing that. And until next time, hold on. Stay caffeinated, and I'll see you soon.